Today I'm trying sand fleas. They're kind of like crabs.
Look good though.
Here's a big one.
But people online they was eating the whole thing like that.
That's why you think you're supposed to do it. Eating the whole thing.
Probably because you can't get no meat picking it off and stuff.
That's like if you eat shrimp. When I eat shrimp, I don't ever really.
I put shrimp every time because the shrimp layers.
But see, that stuff must be but you must be able to eat that. It's not like flesh. I mean, it must not be as bad as shrimp. You can chew it up. Are you chewing it whole?
Yeah.
Turn them up.
You got onions in there too. So imagine you had it with some rice or something. Might actually.
He made it into a little meal. It's the freshest seafood you probably had in a minute in the kill.
Ever probably. Well, it is ever.
Right, it is. We never caught no food after seeing and start cooking it before. I mean, the ocean.
Eat some with them onions right there. That'd probably be good.
It's probably better than Ohio River, like catching fish at the Ohio River and eating it. You know what I'm saying? But the bottom feeders too, aren't they, like shrimp? You probably don't really see any bottom feeders. Or no, they're not. They're not bottom feeders because they're right on the sand. I don't know how that works.
Got some more over there too.
We got more roaches now.
What?
Yes.
Here. Let's get a little. I'm gonna save some for a little Jason though.
Yes. Chloe,
This can burn. Oh, okay.
I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm this is distracting. Hold on.
Guys, they're good. If you live by like a beach and you like, if you don't know what these are, just like near the water, when like near the wet sand, just dig in there. You might find some of these, but like try cooking them maybe. I recommend trying to cook if you live by a beach or something.
I guess I'll go ahead and take a shower because I'm done with it. I'm not going back. Yeah.
Why is it not working?
Show you a sand flea?
Bro.
We'll show you. Even if I just step on the beach.
Oh, you want one?
I don't want to look at one, but I don't want to. I don't want to taste it.
I mean, you could taste one, but this is what they look like.
So just lick it.
It tastes.
Wait, touch. Hold on. Look, they're dead. Look.
They're like shrimp. You like shrimp?
No, I don't like shrimp.
I bet if they were store bought, you would eat them, and you didn't. I bet if you didn't know what they were, you would eat them.
Where did you bring her clothes? Clothes was on the back of the chair. I didn't get all the stuff. I thought you was on the way back. I just brought some stuff. How long ago back? Because I didn't want to start raining. I didn't want to have to honestly